वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो गाइज हियर आई हैव कम अप विद अ न्यू वीडियो। मेरा न्यू वीडियो मैं आज आपके साथ लेकर आई हूँ। एंड हम सभी को पता है दैट दिस इज़ दिसंबर और दिसंबर क्रिसमस का मंथ होता है। सो इसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए मैंने एक एग्जीबिशन जो है वो कवर किया था, जो कि 12th ऑफ दिसंबर को लगा था द क्लैरेजेस होटल में। एंड यहाँ पे काफ़ी एक्सक्लूसिव आइटम था फ्रेंड्स, और मुझे तो सारी ही चीज़ें बहुत ही अच्छी लगी। एंड यहाँ की वाइब बेसिकली मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, बहुत ही बहुत ही कूल वाइब थी यहाँ की। और आपको दिखाती हूँ मैं कि यहाँ पे क्या क्या आप इसमें आपको पसंद आएगा, तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना। और स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो और एक्सप्लोर करते हैं कि हमें क्या क्या देखने मिला इस एग्जीबिशन में।
हमने हाइट बढ़ी इसलिए बोला था टेबल जो आप कहते हैं ना टेबल बड़ी है। अच्छा ये कुछ नहीं बात उनसे भी कह रहे रुपये में तो उसका तो कर देंगे गैस का
ओके, और कितना कॉस्ट क्या है इसका?
This is a 2850.
2850।
ये natural pearls लगे हैं।
अच्छा, these are natural pearls. These are the pieces. Okay, okay. And how much is this for?
Everything is mentioned. This is for 4500.
Okay, this is 4500. Okay.
You are looking for something specific?
No, I'm a vlogger, so I'm making a vlog over here.
Okay.
So, what's the cost of this?
Actually, this is a completely handmade.
Okay.
तो ये थोड़ा सा हमारा little expensive हो जाता है. This is around 14,000.
This is around 14,000.
Yeah.
Okay. So is this all complete pearls, or you have some other material in it? Like this is what?
These all are real stones, and this work is called Pachi Kundan.
Okay, Pachi Kundan. Fine.
Pachi Kundan is actually these stones are fixed in a raw form.
Okay.
We have different designs in this. Like this is also handmade.
Okay. And how much is this for?
This is around 11,000.
Okay.
But we have some other pieces like this. It can cost you around 7,000.
Okay.
All these are handmade pieces.
Acha. Okay.
This
Yeah.
this is 4,950 rupees.
Including this, no?
Yeah, including.
It's a complete set. Okay.
Either you can remove this.
Okay.
Or you can put this.
Oh wow. This is nice.
500.
This is 2,500. Okay. Can you show me, like open it? Okay. Acha, it's having chain.
And we have
Fine.
these are very lightweight.
Okay.
And very
ये क्या
friendly.
कॉस्ट है इसका?
Below 1,000.
Below 1,000. Okay. And this is for what? ये कितने का है?
This is 750.
750. Okay.
जिसमें थोड़ा सा वर्क है like this.
Okay.
It will go around 900.
Okay. It's around 900. And this is what? It's a Santa earrings.
Yeah.
ये कितने का है? ये 999
Yeah,
का है.
999.
999. Okay.
And they are openable.
Okay.
These are also, it has work on it, no? So
Okay.
it will like you can wear it in party as well.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. So you are the owner, ma'am? You are the owner, right?
Yes, I'm not.
Okay. How much is this for?
इसमें आंटी इससे बड़ा साइज है.
$800 का. And how much is this for?
These are ma'am for 199.
199.
Yeah. We just have these 2 limited pieces right now.
Okay. So what's the special you have back here? Any
So we
special
have,
item?
so this is Amos's first pop-up at the Claridge's, and we have our unreleased collection today,
Okay.
which no one has seen, so you get an inside scoop to the new
Yeah,
collection.
let's see.
Like this cool zebra top
Okay.
with a red waist belt,
Okay.
perfect for the holiday wear. And this is a perfect signature Amos
Okay.
alter ego leopard print.
Fine.
This is a bib, a very different silhouette
Okay.
than from what we're used to seeing. This is an ivory crop top with a
Okay.
bow. Makes you feel like a little gift wrap that you can make. This is our frosty rad skirt. Gives the perfect winter vibe
Fine.
for all your winter dinners. This is again speaks for our brand or our alter ego, the leopard print. So come visit us at stall.
Definitely.
number
Can you
3.
tell me some of the prices, like the prices of?
Price range starts from $299
Okay.
and it goes up to about 6.
About 6. Okay. Can you show me the 299 product?
2,999.
2,999.
You can find us on Instagram by the name of Amos by SS, and I'm Soumya, founder of Amos. And you can visit us at stall number 3 at the Claridge's
Okay.
for the winter carnival market.
And your number?
920-511-3941.
Okay.
Comes in 2 colors, one is silver and the other one is gold.
Fine.
This price is 2,599.
Okay.
These are our statement pieces. So the price of this starts from 1,599.
Okay.
So we have cute croissant shape earrings, strawberry shape earrings. We have this cute bow earrings. It goes well with a lot of outfits.
Okay.
This is our heart shape earrings.
Okay. And the second one, how much is this for? Jo second flower shape mein na second.
So this one, the flower shaped earrings, that's for 2,000.
It's 2,000. Okay. And what is the material of
Yeah.
this?
So the base metal is stainless steel, and we have 2 layers of plating. One is 18 karat gold, and the other is PVD plating. So all this plating, it makes all our pieces 18 karat gold. The 18 karat plating and the PVD plating makes our pieces anti-tarnish, 100% waterproof.
Okay. Okay. These are waterproof.
Yeah.
That's good.
We thought that it would be a good exhibition. We didn't expect it to be like this. We thought it would be a good exhibition.
Hi. Okay. It's Mal Chanderi. Okay. What is the starting price range, ma'am? What is this? 7.5, and it goes up to 9.5. Okay, ma'am. And can you show me that red one? Okay. Sure, sure.
The one-piece dresses.
Okay. And that potli is also with it, no?
One-piece dress. Basically, you need to have like work around it and get it different. Yeah. So we
have kaftans like these with culottes. Yeah,
And how much is this for?
for 12.5 we're giving for on discounts 9.5 Christmas special.
Okay, okay. These are very nice pieces.
Vibrant shades.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. For the wedding season, it's very good.
3 sizes. We call them anti-fits.
Okay.
Perfect for the wedding season.
Yeah.
So my brand name is Label Ritu Lamba on Instagram. You can catch us by the name of Label Ritu Lamba Official. And my number goes like 9911 345678.
Fine. So, ma'am, you deal in retail and wholesale both?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, okay.
Thank you.
For wholesale, you provide discount as well?
100% ma'am.
Okay.
Wholesale price is different.
Okay, okay. So, what are these? These are what's all skincare products, right?
Yes, so we are doing organic oils and plant-based skincare products.
Okay, it's a plant-based skincare products.
So plant-based skincare products which are sulfate-free, paraben-free.
Okay,
You
okay.
know, a lot of them are vegan or lip balms. And
Okay.
then we are doing, we're manufacturing these organic oils.
Okay.
Which are completely like sandalwood, fuller's earth.
Okay.
Right? And then you have foot soaps in case you have a long tired knee and you wanna.
Okay, and how much is this for?
This is priced for this exhibition at $249.
249. Okay. For?
This one is for
A combo pack of
I think it's
Okay. क्या क्या है इसके अंदर कॉम्बो में?
that has fuller's earth with
Okay.
a face pack. And we've given you rose water along with it. So instead of using water, you can just use this. So चंदन की smell तभी आती है जब आप उसको थोड़ा सा spread कर लो. Do it with your finger.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, this.
Is this a combo? Okay.
And these are other
So these are of like what? These are hair oils and shampoo.
So we are very rooted in Ayurveda.
Okay.
And we've got skincare and hair care. In Ayurveda we've got some absolutely different kind of products. We have hair sunscreen, something that from sun, UV rays. It is also hair perfume.
Okay.
And it also tames the frizz. So 3 in 1. So we protect our skin, so it is important. to
Yeah,
protect
yeah,
your
yeah,
hair.
right. So this is an oil, right?
This is a spray.
It's a
So
spray.
you just have to spray your hair and
okay.
it will give a very nice refreshing.
Okay. And how much is this for?
So it is priced at 500 here.
Okay.
Yeah, here.
Okay.
Again, it has got argan oil, it has got jojoba oil and salt. So it is based on a concept wherein, our Nani Dadis used to say that one should take salt bath. But
Yeah.
now everyone has shifted to shower.
Right.
So then, so this comes handy. So it is like in a box. So it will give a very nice fragrance. And it is salt with different, infused with different oils.
Okay. So how you have to apply it like before?
It is like a facial oil. Yeah, yeah. So it is like once or twice. So it's like, if you've been in a gathering or you're feeling very drained out. So, you just have to take this bath.
Okay. Sure.
So it will cleanse your aura.
So after having a bath, we should apply it.
No, it is a scrub.
So before
So
bath, yeah, before bath.
you have to apply. The birthday returns that you need to
Yeah,
give, and
right.
Christmas is the time of gifts. So it is like in a very good price. We have just launched it.
So how much is this for?
So this one is 1500.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
then
this
we've
one?
got this is 2000. This is the Chakra wellness product.
So
And
how many things are there? इसमें क्या क्या है?
so 7 chakra oils are there. So these
Okay.
are all essential blends. So it can directly be applied on the skin. Tell you what all things to do. So it's like you can chant the mantra or you can do the affirmation.
Got it.
100.
Got
This
it.
is also 2100. So here we are giving at 1200. So most of the products are on a very heavy discount. So it is rebellious and young and rooted in Ayurveda.
Got it.
Yeah. And it will not interfere in any of the hormones, that is changing, especially during the teenage time.
Right.
So we do solve the problems that can be done either ways.
In either
Otherwise, we are more to DTC. But then, especially for gift hampers, we do get a bulk of this.
Okay.
So accordingly, we decide.
Thank you.
2500 and this for 3. full zipper as well. 3,500 each.
Okay, how much is this for? 4,000. Okay. कितने? 2,000. How much is this for? Both. Okay. This is for women. So how to wear it? Like, is this? It's a dress and you have to team up with it. Okay, okay. कितने का है ये?
Yes, 500.
Okay.
500 for this.
Okay. 8,000.
5,500.
It's 5,500. So do you have any Instagram handle as well?
Yes.
So you deal in wholesale and retail both, right? What is it? Like, it's like chocolate peanut butter. How much is this for?
350.
350. Ahar is your brand name, right? Ahara. Okay, so can you tell me about the products? Is this a chocolate?
Yeah, these are sticker bites.
Okay.
They are made with dates and peanuts
Okay.
and coconut. And these are mocha bites. They are made with coconut cream and chocolate and coffee.
Okay.
And these are a millet-based tiramisus, hazelnut misu, tiramisu, and
Okay, these are millet based. That's good.
and this one is a vanilla custard faisil.
Okay. Okay.
This is a banana bread.
Can you just open it and show?
It's made with millets.
Okay.
So made with jowar flour. Made with millet.
Acha, these are millet based cookies.
Everything here is millet based.
Okay.
These are
Chocolate chip cookies.
made with ragi flour,
Okay. Okay.
and this is our chocolate chip cookie made with flour flour.
How much is this for?
95.
95 each.
Okay.
These are a Christmas cake and banana bread.
And how much is this for?
525.
525. Okay. So, ma'am, you deal in wholesale and retail both.
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay. And how much is this for? Okay. 2,500? It's 1,000. Okay. Okay. Wow.
This is the main USP flower. We call peony.
And how much is this for? So 18,000. So people will get discount on your stall?
Next.
Okay. You're welcome.
$781.
2781. Okay. It's 5,000. Yeah. Okay. Okay. $3,600. These are the minimum price range things. 1,000. Okay. So do you?
Very nice collection, guys.
Is this a shrug, poshu, or what?
These are the pure pashmina wool. These
Okay.
are all stoles and furs.
Okay. Okay. How much is this for?
This is for
5,000. Okay. And this one is for?
12,000.
12,000. This is also of same price or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fine, fine. So that's your number.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a gifting brand.
Okay.
We deal in gift hampers and fresh
Okay.
flowers.
Okay.
But today we're just displaying the home decor items
Okay.
and the gifting items. So
These are all
like
gifting
hampers. These are all hampers. Something that you can, like this is like a dry fruit box.
Oh, that's cool. And how much is this for?
This is for 1,500.
It's of 1,500.
Yes.
And the material of
This
this
is German silver.
It's genuine silver.
Yes. It's anti-tarnish. It doesn't go black at all.
Okay.
And these are all like dry fruit items. Something
Got
that
it.
you can, if you
Yeah,
go to
definitely.
somebody's house, then
Got
you
it,
can
got
give
it.
these things.
And how much is this for?
This
one?
is the tray is for 15.50
1550. Okay.
and 3.75 for the jar.
Okay.
And
And
900
material is of like it's German silver.
It's all German silver.
It's all German
Yeah.
silver.
I mean, like
Okay.
this one is all German silver.
Okay.
It doesn't go plastic. That's why it's. This is like a little metal sort of a material, but
Okay.
but in a
Yeah.
yeah.
ये कितने का है?
This is for 1700.
1700.
Everything is anti-tarnish.
Okay,
Nothing
okay
goes
for that. So people can connect with you on wholesale and retail both.
Yes, on wholesale and retail. Yes.
This is 94% skincare and 6% makeup.
Got it.
All of our formulas are meant to be so gentle that you can even sleep with them on.
Okay.
We currently have two main products, that is our mousse tints here
Okay.
and our lip butters. These are the ingredients all of our products have. This is a Korean formulation.
Fine.
Would you like to try anything, ma'am? These are lip butters. No, not
Okay.
replace your lipsticks, your lip balms and your lip glosses. This is basically
Okay,
lip
okay.
all in one situation.
Okay. And how much is this for
This
each?
is for $7.99.
Okay. This was 799. Got it.
So buttery. If you touch, you'll see it is so soft.
And how much is this for?
This is for $7.49.
It's 740. So that's your Instagram handle. Okay. Okay, you are retail. Okay. Okay, there is no offline store. People can connect with you over online. प्राइस भी बताते जाइएगा. 4500.
We have our website.
तो ये अभी अलग अलग प्राइस रेंज में है. ये कितने का है? 45. ये भी 4500. 4500. 35. ये 4500 का है.
ये मेटल में है,
मेटल में है सारा. अच्छा.
ये 20
का है. Okay, this is your silver collection.
This is 92.5 sterling silver.
Okay.
These are all very classic designs. We all love to wear cocktail rings.
Right.
Then
And
we
how
have-
much is this for the ring?
This is around 6,000 rupees.
It's around 6,000. Okay.
And then we have this collection. It's a bit more budget friendly. This is in brass or
Okay.
gold plated.
Okay. It's in brass and gold plated.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have things from Pasa. You can just wear it here.
That's nice.
These days, you have Sufi nights at your wedding. You have you have haldi. People like to experiment here and there. And we have Mata Patti.
Oh, that's cool.
And these are all extremely budget friendly. For example, this is only for 3,000 rupees.
Okay.
Then as you can see, we have some really nice chokers along with the earrings. And, people like to wear chand balis.
Right,
We have
right.
multiple collection of chand bali.
Okay. It's all in multi.
Yeah, with bronze.
Okay.
So this is all chand balis.
Okay.
These are all earrings, all chand balis.
It's a 4,000.
Yeah.
Okay. It's 4,000. Okay.
This is only made in Turkey. This is not manufactured here.
Okay.
So as you can see, the detailing is really beautiful. We've used different stones, mother of pearl, and this is all gold. And the entire set, or this is also for 9,000.
9,000.
Okay. We have just put, give it a little Indian touch,
Got it.
and this helps with the
3,900. Okay.
after discount. Inch.
Okay.
This
The name of the brand?
Yes. It's David. Okay.
chokers.
गाइस आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा एंड इफ़ यू रियली लाइक माय वीडियो डू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. और इसी टाइप के इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस के लिए गाइस देखते रहिए मेरा चैनल एंड मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. और तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. टेक केयर.